Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a new effect on InShot called glass effect. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, make sure you have updated your InShot application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to update the InShot, because if you haven't updated your InShot, you won't get the glass effect on your InShot. So make sure you have the latest version of InShot. Okay, I'm going to open my InShot application, and then I'm going to create new project. Then I'm going to show you guys how we can apply the glass effect to our video. I'm going to select video and new, and then I'm going to add a video from my gallery album. Okay, for instance, I'm going to add this video to my project. I'm going to click on this check mark to add the video to my project, and wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay guys, and to get a glass effect for our video, we need to go to the effect menu, select effect, and here you will have some options. You will have effect, AI effect, folder, and adjust. And to get the glass effect, you can go to the effect, and in this effect menu you can select glass category. Okay, and there will be some effect you can apply to your video. You can choose shatter or crack or fracture or short, but unfortunately the crack and fracture effect are only for InShot Pro, but I still want to show you how the effect looks like. Okay, and let's try shatter. Okay, we can customize the value like this, and crack, fracture, and short. And again, you can customize the value. And for instance guys, I'm going to select shatter. All right, and click on the check mark, and then you can make the effect align with your video like this. You just need to drag the effect to make it align with your video, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the glass effect has been applied to my video. And then once you're ready to save the video to your device, you can click on export, and you can choose the resolution and select export to save this video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add glass effect to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.